Hey folks, my name is David Ross. Welcome to AI 3-Minute Master. As always, we're going to be learning a nifty teacher trick using ChatGPT or one of the other LLMs, your choice of course. First things first, in every single one of these lessons we're going to be accessing my prompt library, which is free and designed for teachers, K-12 and higher ed. The next screen you're going to see in the video is a QR code that links to the library or a URL. I want you to open that up and bookmark it because we're going to be using it today and from now on in everything we do. Hey folks, today we're going to focus on task simplification. And where does this come from? Well, I began my teaching career 30 years ago in a second grade classroom. And self-professed genius that I am, it didn't go well because when I gave second graders directions, which I thought were crystal clear and quite specific, they were neither. So I started reading up about task clarification, and I've learned that ChatGPT and the other LLMs are really good at doing this. So let's have it do it for us. I'm in the prompt library. If I just type in task, I'm going to get a whole bunch of returns. So I'm going to do task simplification, and it's going to take me down to the prompt that we're going to use. So I'm going to copy that as always, and I'm going to move over to ChatGPT, and let's paste it into the window. Now, I'm not actually a fifth grade teacher, nor do I teach or did I ever teach math. However, as always, you're going to substitute the details of your teaching context. So in this case, the template prompt that we just pasted in says I must teach my fifth graders the step needed to convert customary U.S. measurements like feet, inches, and yards into metric measurements such as centimeters and meters. Create a detailed step-by-step set of instructions for my students to learn how to do this. Use a conversational tone appropriate for fifth graders. You will, of course, substitute whatever grade level it is and whatever complicated task process you have. Easiest one for me was feet to inches because I just got back from Montreal, and those silly Canadians are using the metric system as opposed to the God-given system that the U.S. uses. So let's see what ChatGPT does. So it's creating some definitions, some conversions, and showing me abbreviations or acronyms for whatever these things are. And it's giving me step by step by step, including some practice problems. Groovy. Now, can you adjust this? Of course you could. You could say reduce the number of steps to X, or make this 2 pages long, or if you have English language learners, which I always did, is I would create a version in a second language. And if you ever, in all these videos, you hear that tinkling sound, that's the camera up front telling me that Amazon's delivered another fabulous package. Thanks, ChatGPT.